Hello all, welcome to another session in this course. As part of this session, I am going to cover the next topic, that is using sort method with arrays in JavaScript. So let's begin. Coming to the sort method. Sort method is sort method is one of the predefined methods in JavaScript, and it is one of the important methods we can use with arrays in JavaScript. Okay. So in the previous sessions, I covered few predefined methods that we can use with arrays, right? Like for each, map, filter, find. All these are important predefined methods we can use with arrays. Similarly, we have one more method which is also important, and this can be used with arrays in JavaScript. That method is none other than the sort method. What does this sort method will do? Using sort method, okay, using sort method, we can sort the elements in the array. Okay, in the given array, we can sort the elements in the given array. How? How the elements in the array will be sorted? How the elements in the array will be sorted? So using sort method, we can sort the elements in the array by default in ascending order. Okay, by default the elements in the array will be sorted in which order? Ascending order. So let me show you how to use this sort predefined method in the JavaScript with arrays to sort the elements in the array in ascending order. And you need to know that this ascending order sorting of the sort method will work properly with strings. Okay, strings, but not with numbers. With numbers, we have to do some tweaking. Okay, we have to tweak it a bit. Tweak this sort method a bit. We cannot directly use a sort method to sort the numbers in the array. If the elements of the array are in numerical format, we cannot directly sort them in ascending order with the sort method. Okay, we have to tweak the logic a bit. But coming to the, if the elements of the array are in string type, text type and all those stuff, then the elements of the array will be sorted by default in ascending order using this sort predefined method in JavaScript. Okay, so let me demonstrate this for you. For that, I'll switch to this editor, Visual Studio Code editor, where I'll create a new JavaScript file here. That is, I'll say sort demo -1 dot js, I'll say, and here I'll create an array. Let ar is equal to, I'll give the square bracket, and here all the elements of the array I'll just give like this. Okay, let's say Varun, then Arun, then Tarun, then Vijay, then okay, Rana. So here elements of the array are in which format? Individual elements of the array are on string format. Okay. So sort will by default will work with this array elements in sorting them in ascending order. Okay. You don't have to tweak the logic anything. AR dot sort. If you simply have to say like this, AR dot sort. That's it. Things will be done. This sort method will sort the elements in the array and it will return you. Okay. It will return you an array. Okay. As a, you see, after sorting the elements of the array, it will return you the elements of the this array in array format again. Okay. I'll say sorted AR. Okay. The array elements which are sorted in ascending order will be returned here in the form of an array. So if I print this sorted array, sorted AR, let's see what is happening. Okay. Let me run this code. Note original array is having the elements like this: Varun, Arun, Tarun, Vijay, Rana. After sorting in ascending order, how the elements are sorted in this returned array. Let's see. Okay. Sort hyphen demo hyphen PNE. Okay. Instead of ONE, PNE came. That's okay. Let's go with this .js. You see what came? First Arun came. Here Arun is in second position, but it came to the first because ascending order wise A comes first, right? Then R came. Q, R, S, T, U, V, like that. Okay. V, A, V, I. You see elements got sorted in ascending order here. Right? If the elements of the array are in string format, it is possible. Now if I create one more JavaScript file, sort hyphen demo hyphen 2, I'll say .js. And here let me create an array. And this array, I'll give the numbers case, okay? Like 9, comma 5, comma 1, comma 7, 6, 2, 8, 4. Like this, I'm giving the elements. And can I sort this elements in this numerical elements in this array in ascending order by directly using like this? Let's see. Okay. SAR. Okay. Let's see whether it is sorting properly or not. I'll just print SAR here. Node. It is not going to work as you expect, guys. Okay. It is not going to work as you expect because this is not going to work as you expect because, these elements are numerical numbers. Sort method will not work properly with this. Okay. By default, it will not work properly. You see, 1, 2, 4, 5, it works properly in this example. In this example, it is working fine, guys, but, it may not work actually. So let's give some more things like 3 comma. Okay, let's run this again. Let's clear this and run. Okay, looks like it is working fine. So yeah, I'll go and take one another example. Otherwise, I'll go and take another example here with numbers. Okay, sometimes by luck or something it may work like that, but ultimately it may not sort the elements in proper format. Okay, I'll take one example, 10 comma 1 comma 5, right? Only three elements I'll put here. 10 comma 1 comma 5. Let's see what will happen in this case. How it's going to work. Let's see. Clear. 110 5. Is it correct? 110 5 is correct? No, right? You see, it's not working properly. Okay. When I give a proper, you see, 10 should go to the end, but 10 is there in between. Is it sorting the numbers in the array in ascending order? No. Okay. Some other order is coming. So how to sort the numbers in ascending order? By directly, we cannot do that. We have to tweak the logic of the sort method here by adding a function. Okay, by adding a function, there is an arrow function. What type of arrow function? We generally call that as compare function. Okay, compare arrow function. Okay, what is compare arrow function? It looks like this. Okay, so the compare arrow function will look something like this. Okay, so if we add that, okay, let's add that compare arrow function. How to add the compare arrow function? Two parameters we have to give: a comma b. What will happen? A comma b means this 10 will go into a, 1 will go into b. At a time, two elements. Okay. Here you create the arrow function and here write down a minus b. Okay. This is what is called as an arrow function. This is what is called as a compare arrow function. Okay. Compare function in JavaScript. Okay. If you use this, what will happen? The sort method is going to work properly with the numbers. After including this, inside the sort method, if you include this compare function, it's going to sort. How? How means 10 will go into A, 1 will go into B. Okay. And 10 minus 1, positive number or negative number? It is positive number. 10 minus 1 is 9, which is a positive number. If it is a positive number, it is going to work like this. Okay. If it is a positive number, if it is a positive number, B comes before A. Okay. If it is a positive number, B comes before A. B is what? B is 1. A is what? 10. So 1 will go before, 1 will come forward and 10 will go here. Okay. That's how the comparison is done. Then 1 and 10 will be there here. Okay. The first position 1 will be there, then 10 will be there. Okay. Then next two more elements here, 10 and 5 are there. Okay. 10 will go here, 5 will go here. Okay. 10 and 5. 10 and 5. Then 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5. What is 10 minus 5? 10 minus 5 is 5, positive number. Again, if it is positive number, the swapping will happen, right? 10 will go to the, okay, then 10 minus 5, right? So first B will come, then A will come. Simple words, okay? B is nothing but 5, right? B will come first. That means here 1 will be there, here 5 will be there, here 10 will be there. That's what is the explanation I can give, guys. Okay, that's what is the explanation I can give here. How this compare function will generally work, and because of you include this compare function, you'll get a proper output this time. You see, 1 5 10 came. So I'll give you one more example here. Let's say What if I give you something like, 3 comma 4 comma, okay, 11 comma, like this some different elements if I am giving. So without compare function, what is happening? If I remove the compare function and just run this, you see 1, 10, 11, 3, 4, 5 is coming. Okay. This is not correct. Okay. It's not ascending the elements in ascending order. So what I need to do here is I need to write the compare function. Okay. Like this, I need to put the compare function here, give two parameters a comma b and simply say a minus b if you want the elements of this numerical elements of the array to be sorted in ascending order. Then you have to give a minus b here. Okay. So a is 3 and b is 4. 3 minus 4 is what? Minus 1, which is a negative number. If it is negative number, A will be the first position, B in the second position. That is 3 and 4 will be as it is. Then next 4 and 11. Okay. 4 and A will 4 will come to A, 11 will come to B. Then A minus B is how much? 4 minus 11. 4 minus 11 is a negative number. That means A is A will come first, B will come second. If it is a negative number, A will come first, B will come next. That is 4 and 11 as it is. Then 11 and 10. Here A will be 11, B will be 10. 11 minus 10 is positive number. If it is positive number, B will go into the first position, A will go into the second position. That means 10 will go here, 11 will come here. Okay. Now 11 and 1. 11 and 1. 11 minus 1 is positive number. If it is positive number, okay. If it is positive number, what will happen? B will go into the first position, A will come to the second position. That means 1 will go here and 11 will come here. Okay. 1 will go here and 11 will come here. Okay. Then 11 and 5. Here 11, 5. 11 minus 5 is again positive number. Then B will come to this position, A will come to this position. So 5 will go here and 11 will come here. Okay. Like that, guys. Like that. Okay. So let's see what is happening here and whether it is working or not. Let's see. You see 1, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11. Okay. So like that, guys. Okay. Positive and negative kind of stuff we have to see. Fine. So what if the result is 0, if they both are equal, then order stays the same. No changing will happen. Okay. If it is resulting in a negative number, then this will happen. A comes before B. If it is resulting in a positive number, B. Using this logic, this compare function, when you provide insert sort method, will sort the elements of the numerical elements of the array in ascending order. What if I want to sort these array elements in descending order? In descending order, you have to change the logic a bit. Okay. B minus A you have to give. Okay. B minus A you have to give. Then the elements of this array will be sorted in descending order. Okay. Instead of A minus B, you have to give B minus A. You see 11, 10, 5, 4, 3, 1. Okay. Then the elements of the array will be using this compare function. We can sort the elements of the array in descending order. Okay. So by default, sort method is used to sort the elements of the array in ascending order for the string text. Okay. But if you are sorting the number, you'll get some case situations will not get the proper logic, proper output. Okay. Then you have to use compare functions, and using compare functions, we can using this type of compare function where a minus b kind of ascending numerical sort will happen. B minus a, if you say in the same compare function, descending numerical sort will happen. You can also do that with the help of objects and all those stuff. Anything, anywhere you can do. So here custom sorting is there for objects. Let's go and work on this. Another example here, sort hyphen demo hyphen 3.js. Okay. Then let AR is equal to square bracket, put a semicolon here, and here write down the objects, comma. Okay. Let's write some objects here. Okay. This is good. Then here I'll give like name colon Arun, comma exp colon I'll give it as 18. Okay. Then name colon I'll give Varun, and then I'll give the exp colon 1. Then name colon Tarun, I'll give exp experience colon 10. Name colon Vijay, comma exp exp colon 7. Like that I gave something. And let's see if I do something like ar dot sort the elements. Each and every element of this array is an object now. I want to sort the elements of the array natural way. Uh, I cannot give a natural way, right? How to sort this element of the. Okay, we have to give something here. How to give that something? For something, I'll just give a comma b. Okay, I want to sort the elements of this array using this. With the name means it's easy, right? Okay, with the name means it is kind of easy. That is, we can do something like this: a or e dot name. If I write like this, what will happen? Using this e dot name, the sorting will happen, right? Using this e dot name, that is Arun Varun Tarun string, right? It should happen. Okay. So here, let's see whether it is happening or not. SAR after sorting, what is happening? Let's see. Console.log SAR, and let me run this code. 3.js. You see, Arun Varun Tarun Vijay. Okay. Arun Varun Tarun. Same thing it came. So what if I just change the order a bit? Let's take this to the end. Okay. Let's change this to an end. See what will happen this time. I'm changing the order and see whether it's sorting the elements in order or not. Let's see. Are the elements of the array got sorted? Let's see. No, they are not getting sorted, right? So what I have to do here, I'll remove this and see what is happening. First of all, without giving anything, what is happening? Let's see. The same thing is happening. The sort is not happening. How to overcome this problem? How to overcome this problem in the object array? So here E means each and every object. So comparison of the objects is not happening. Then here, I have to give something, guys. Okay, I should not be giving like this. I should give something as uh, uh, have to go with this kind of process like a comma b. This for that for strings, how to do it? I'm just thinking. Okay, how to sort this with help of strings, right? How to sort this with help of name. Okay, let's. So here a comma b. Okay, there's something known as local compare. Okay, using that we are doing that. Okay. So here we have to still take a comma b and then do it. Okay, since it is an array, right? So objects in the object format it is there. So we have to do like this, or is there any other way? I think that's the thing. A dot name dot local compare b dot name. Okay, I have to compare these two things. Okay, then what is going to done. So here I will give a comma b. Then I'll give something like a dot name, a dot names. Okay, a dot name, that is Varun dot a dot name. The next one we have is dot local compare dot dot local compare. Okay, b dot name. Right, like this. So Arun, Varun and Tarun will be compared like that. It will happen if this. Okay, for objects we have to do like this. Okay, then clear and red. Let's run this and see whether we are getting the output or not. Clear. No, we are getting an error. Local compare is not a function. Then why it is giving me this local compare here? You want to sort in descending order. Local compare is not working, right? Okay, I'll just give me a second. Type error. Locally. Okay, some extra e is there which is missing. Okay, locally compare. Okay, locally compare. Now it should work, I think so. Now it's working. Arun, Tarun, Varun, Vijay. Okay, now it's working. According to the names, it's sorting the things in ascending order, right? Then what about with experience and all? How to do this? Again, A comma B and A dot okay, exp minus b dot exp. Like this, we have to keep. Okay, the same process. A dot ex here locally compare is not required. A dot exp minus b dot exp. If it is resulting in positive number, then order will change. If it is resulting in negative number, the same order will be there. Okay. So here first 1 is there, then 10 is there, then 7 is there, 18 is there. So 1, 7, 10, 18 should come. Let's see whether it is happening or not. You see 1, 7, 10, 18 is coming. Okay. It's sorting in using the numbers. Okay, so the same logic, compare function technique we have used here. Okay, for strings inside the object, if the elements of the object, elements of the array are objects, then for comparing the strings you have to use locally compare. Okay, for numbers you can use the same logic. Any other things are there? Let's see in this with compare function, custom sorting. This is fine. The next one, locally compare is here actually. Okay, if you want to ignore the case to lowercase, you can convert and then do it. Okay, you see we'll go with this locally compare to lowercase and all those stuff in the string methods. Okay, I didn't cover the string methods, right? So this won't be easy for you to understand what is locally compared to lowercase and all. Fine. So that's all, guys. That's all. You got some idea, right? How to use the sort method with arrays in JavaScript to sort the elements of the array in ascending order. In case of numbers, we have to use compare function, okay, to get the things done. So with this, we are done with this session. Okay, that is how to use a sort predefined method with arrays in JavaScript for sorting the elements in ascending and descending orders. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.